Well, welcome once again to another episode of the Showbiz Trends right here on DKTV. Now with me, Mr. Zine, aka the next blogger, aka the blog with you rap than most of the northern based rappers, aka the Biamkan, aka use your native cognitivity, aka the man with a native sense, aka no need to talk much and no need to do much introduction. The introduction will do itself. So let's go straight into the physiologic analytics of whatever brought us here today once again on the Showbiz Trends. It is, of course, um I don't even know where to begin because today we have a lot of issues to blend together. We have a lot of issues to put together, a lot of things to tell you at once so that you understand whatever goes on in our entertainment industry right here. You know what I always say, when something drops, whether it drops in the night, midnight, or daytime, I'm going to bring it to you as soon as possible. I'm going to make sure I bring it onto your screen, I bring it closer to you, and I bring it in front of your phone screen so that you sit at wherever you are and go through the entertainment industry just like you're going through your own cell phone. Now, no need to talk much, just like I said. The Talkatives man, Aleewa Dagomba. It's your boy Yai is back again with Talkatives Part 4. Remember, this guy came with Talkatives Part 1 and he was sent to police station. And I'm sure it has been deleted from most platforms because I actually wanted to look for it, but I'm not able to get it on any digital platform. He came with Part 2, Part 3, and now Part 4. Do you want to hear what is in the Part 4? Stay glued as I come back on the screen and let you understand whatever goes on inside the Talkatives Part 4, brought to you by the man Aleewa. It's your boy Yai. Alpha staff, DJ staff is also on social media mocking at Wolugu, and I'll be bringing you, development of that story also on this episode. And then also Shaban the Rap King Khan, Al Capone. Who be the rap King Kong? Baba is also on social media, trying to choose side in the ongoing beef because he said he's going to monitor all the songs released during this beef. The 6 songs released during the beef, he's going to monitor it before he chooses his side. And he has started monitoring because he said he has listened to Maccasio, Assalamu alaikum. And I'll be bringing to you whatever he said in or on social media as well. Click on the subscribe button, then I go back and come on the screen like no one's business. Then we move straight into the physiologic analytics of the whole brouhaha. Go, and then I come, then we go. Yes, so welcome back and let's get straight into the analytics of just what I mentioned before we went on break. Just like I said, Alpha staff made mockery of Lana on social media. He made a post on social media on tonight, 24th May, Wednesday, saying that so with all the insults that Lana used to make about people, with all the woman that Lana used to say about people, and he used to do a whole lot of things and insult people anyhow on social media. So he hasn't been able to release a single commercial song, let alone organizing a show at Weather's Canteen. I beg, I'm not laughing at Wolugu, I'm just laughing. I'm just laughing at the post our staff made. You can read it on the screen and you actually understand what he wanted to do. He's making mockery of Wolugu, of course, because he had a banter with him some time ago, which went far ahead to involving a lot of, actions that people didn't actually think it would lead to. So I think this is nothing new for you, the viewer out there, unless, of course, you don't know what's going on inside the entertainment industry right here in northern part of Ghana. Then moving on straight into what Shaban also said about the ongoing beef. He has been mentioning things and he has been saying a lot of things because first he started by saying that anything that enters attacker enters him because they are all from the same hood. So any bullet you give to attacker is also entering Shaban. And a lot of people actually thought he was going to support attacker on the go when he mentioned that thing. But of course, he was monitoring the beef and he said he's going to monitor the songs word by word. Then he's going to listen to, the punchlines, going to listen to the lines, going to listen to the raps and the timing and everything, and come out and give a declaration and choose a side that he's going to support. And he hasn't been able to do that for now. He has only listened to Maccasio, Assalamu alaikum, and he said the rap is actually on point, the timing is cool, and the punchlines are there. Though he has seen some chaps inside the rap, he's yet to listen to Attacker's own and listen to the subsequent ones and come out and give us his declaration and choose his side, and let's see what he's going to say. Then moving on straight into what actually brought us here. Aleewa, it's a boy. Remember his part 1 of the Talkatives, he made mention, or he created a line that was actually talking about Maccasio and his mother. Then because of that particular line inside that song, Aleewa was actually dragged to police station, or let me say to court, and he was asked to apologize and make a lot of or make some necessary arrangements with the family to apologize to them, which he did. So after that, he came back with part 2 when Maccasio was battling with Double T again, came back with part 3 the same time. Then now he's coming with part 4. Remember, he went on break, he came back. A lot of people didn't actually know that Aleewa Dagomba is still doing music, but he's back with part 4 of his Talkatives he always bring when beef is ongoing inside our entertainment industry. And this one, I'll let you listen to, you know, the punchlines in it. I'm just going to listen to the punchlines in it, and if you want to listen to the whole song, you click in the description, you'll see a link you can follow to go and listen to the entire song. So listen to the song, beat by the song, beat of the song, then I come back on the screen, then we'll move straight, then we digest it together, then we'll see the physiologic analytics of the song together, because I do it with you every time something drops. So let's go listen to the song and come back. Ambition you not the Pia, but the stupid car wash. Vanina Nika Sura Dakutopa, you had a car wash. Kabuchi shut up a downfall. Strategy in Kubelaha, Kazukumwaska Kunkong, Apelekubanka Lundwele. Ambor beef for Halema Wulaka Pahalewa, Dundaliana, Kuyo Punanyanwele. Jakam Kun and Nama Apuka for Halefam Beleva. Shatan and Yaraka Trabi, Yomani and Kura. Wakoma Mandalia. Wolugu Koko me and Gurundo have money for managers. Now you like a big head, so careless. Small brain, how can you think far? But for lifestyle, cause I won't play the journey. Now you can know Namne, but the Mafican frigate, was the stack and lirge. You live for my Yoma, will rest in peace. And Yabba coming over peace. And I have to take a Shaban and family meetings. Emotional rapper, Gilliman Kayan Kua, but you shall cut to Dolemato, Potino Kura. Nothing lasts forever, my brother can caliber Hama elder. A Shunkuno Yuku or Yanabagamo Koshi. Madame Ladagana Lela, I see what Tablamoshi. The Quinzer Bandi form of Kukura Pataka. And you play Adaka, the Malakum Adaka. Oblangman Bango, Pamala, Nigeria actor. Local rapper, Kasua, Obusa, Hajumpa. Manoto Medo, Tablo Trainer, Suku Shab Mazasa. Yelling Shirt Sanga. Sako Dianuni, you copy to feature the legend gender. Ayila Yina the Bamda. Sometimes Steve Nyasa. Amaka whack punchlines. Mean off timing. Claiming you get this, you get that. Talk of Fubu.